In the dawn's hush, the elephant awakens, carrying echoes of ancient wisdom. Each slow, deliberate step presses softly yet firmly into the yielding earth beneath. Surrounded by ancient trees, it moves through the landscape with patient grace and power. Time etches stories upon its skin, a living map of endurance and silent strength. With eyes reflecting timeless patience, it embraces the quiet path ahead without haste. The vast plains stretch endlessly, a silent witness to unwavering resolve and calm. Despite heavy steps, the elephant carries the world's weight with peaceful dignity. In its silence lies a force unshakable, as gentle as the morning mist itself. Endure softly, stand firm. The elephant teaches us resilience through quiet strength.